Hello, everyone. Alex Winkler here, and welcome back to the crypto trading course. So, in this part, we're going to cover who am I and what is Enzlo. So, I am the co-founder and CFO of Enzlo Inc., and I've been involved with online businesses since about 2010. That's a year before I graduated high school. I studied finance at Pace University, which is right there by the Brooklyn Bridge in the tip of Manhattan. And I was a day trader the whole time. I also was pretty focused on the company back then as well. So it was a mix of the company and a mix of, we were working on these products, blah, 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 getting all that stuff out. So it was quite a hectic time. I didn't sleep much. Plus then the school on the side, I guess, was part of it as well. It was kind of crazy. I always had a bunch of posters or charts in my dorm just hanging all over the place. I don't know why you would know my roommate to ask, but anyway, not important. Moving along. So now we're based out of Florida, and although I'm actually not quite often there, I travel quite extensively. For the last 2.5 years, I've been working fairly remotely. Even last year, 6 months, 2 years ago, 6 months of it, I bought a car in Poland with my friend, and we were just traveling nonstop the whole time. That would have been a really fun time to also be trading crypto and whatnot, to make video lessons on the fly. But that was before this channel, so that's a bit unfortunate. Anyway, when I'm not trading, I love studying Python and coding. I have a few little online projects that I like working on, and playing instruments. The guitars is my baby. I've been playing it since, I don't know, middle school. Before then, piano a bit, and I picked up the violin. I'm not very good at it, but I can play the intro to Game of Thrones, which makes me pretty happy. Anyway, my brother Heiko, who you guys might know from the South Florida Fishing Channel, and I established Enzlo Inc. back in 2013. At that time, it was our primary focus on building software as a service, so SaaS companies, and running various marketing campaigns. I could show you two right now. I don't want to get too off topic, but the first one, I was about to type in TradingView, tier. Oh my god, I don't know how to spell anymore. Right here, tier cloud. It's even saved. I don't know why I got it wrong. Video makes me nervous, I guess. So tier cloud is an email marketing platform. You could always check that more out later. And then Vice Offers, which is our longtime sweetheart, one of our first kind of big and successful online businesses, which, did I just say this? But it's an affiliate network, and this is where I'm kind of the CFO. I manage all the payouts. So if you have any questions with, getting your affiliate account paid out or whatnot, this is, contact me. I have actually an interesting story about Vice Offers that I'll tell later, and how it has a pretty deep correlation to crypto trading today. We also work pretty closely with a few other companies now. We offer some consulting, primarily for online companies, since we've been doing it for so long, and that is one of the main things my brother actually focuses on and talks about a lot. So if you ever have a business idea, or you're launching a new website, or any of that fun stuff, definitely give us a call, or write us, and we'd love to check it out and talk with you. So next, this is me. This is my brother. This is at one of the affiliate summits. I believe this was an affiliate summit. Anyway, this is us kind of talking about Vice Offers, whatnot. You can see Heiko's wearing a Vice Offers shirt. Pretty crazy events. So the crypto fund, how did that get started? That actually became an active part of Enzlo around late 2017. So right now it's July 2018. So almost a year ago exactly. And the reason we did this, the story I was talking about earlier, is because a lot of our affiliates are living internationally, and it's sometimes tough to send them money abroad. You could use Western Union, you could use Wire, which is really expensive. Western Union is also extremely expensive. PayPal doesn't work in every country, so you're always kind of dealing with some issues. At one point, we were like, why don't we just... I don't remember how it started. I think we maybe got a request for it, but at one point we started offering out paying the affiliates in cryptocurrency. and at the time I was, it was cool, but it was an accounting nightmare. So we're going to cover that in day 2, how to do accounting. But now I love it. I mean, paying out affiliates in cryptocurrency is fast, it's easy, it's super cheap, and it's fun too, because that's actually how I got back involved with trading, because I had to buy and sell crypto to pay out every time. So that was a big part of it. So why do I teach crypto services? So after focusing on the business for so long and basically getting out of the market for years, I mean, from going from like a full-time day trader to living off the time of the market to, fully focusing on building SaaS companies, I guess like part of me was a bit missing. So when I got back into crypto trading, it was so much fun. I fell in love with it all over again, and I was like, oh, why did I ever stop trading? So yeah, like it says here, at that point, my old passion came back to me in full force. By 2017, I formed my own crypto group in Berlin, where I was at the time, where I still am right now. So just talking about all these fun crypto things, what's hot, what's not, good trades. And at the time, I was also debating about starting a crypto hedge fund, which I am still actively debating. So that is not off the table. But at the moment, I kind of want to learn more about the space. And that leads me to my next point. The best way to learn about something is by teaching something, because it's not easy to talk about something you don't know. So every time I run into one of those issues, I have to read about it, I have to learn about it, and then I can finally share it. Actually, the next point we'll cover is funny, because it reviews about makers and takers. And coming from a day trader, that didn't exist. So at first, I was super confused what that even was. So that was one of those things I had to learn. All right, we're going to cover that in the next video. I don't want anything to take too long. So till then, ciao, ciao.